What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Ask Keisha AI, where I keep you in the loop on how to level up with tech and AI. Today, we're talking about Sora, OpenAI's latest tool that's got everybody buzzing. If you've been sleeping on this, wake up. Sora isn't just a tool, it's a whole opportunity. I'm breaking down 5 detailed ways you can use Sora to stack your coins and secure the bag. Let's get it. So let's talk how to secure the bag with Sora, 5 game-changing ways to make money. 1. Launch an AI video agency. Picture this. You're running your own video agency, creating high-quality content for clients without needing fancy equipment or a big production team. With Sora, you can do just that. Use Sora to make professional-level videos for businesses. Think ads, product promos, or explainer videos. Cater to niches like small businesses, nonprofits, or educators who need affordable content but still want it to look top tier. Pro tip: market yourself as a budget-friendly alternative to traditional video production companies. Position Sora's capabilities as your secret weapon to deliver fast and stunning results. 2. Build a SaaS platform for social media creators. Social media is the hustle, and creators are always chasing tools to save time and make their content pop. With Sora, you can develop a SaaS platform that provides easy-to-use video templates and automated editing features. Imagine creators uploading their scripts or images and boom, a professional video comes out the other side. Charge a monthly subscription fee and sweeten the deal by adding extra perks like analytics or trending content ideas. Why this works? The demand for content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts is endless. A tool like this will have creators lining up to use it. 3. Create and sell AI video prompts. Here's the cheat code. Prompts are gold. People need good ones to get the best results from Sora. Spend time perfecting prompts that cater to specific audiences or industries, like real estate walkthroughs, fitness tutorials, or product unboxings. Package them into bundles and sell them on platforms like PromptBase or your own website. Bonus hustle: make your prompts simple and repeatable for beginners, and charge extra for custom, high-end prompts tailored to specific needs. 4. Produce and monetize educational content. Sora is perfect for creating dynamic, eye-catching tutorials that people will watch and pay for. Use Sora to create videos for cooking, programming, fitness routines, whatever you're an expert in or passionate about. Upload these videos to YouTube and make money through ads, sponsorships, or channel memberships. Take it further by packaging your videos into a course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Tip for success: focus on content that solves problems or teaches skills people actually need, like how to meal prep, code, or DIY home projects. These topics never go out of style. 5. Offer social media marketing consulting. Social media is the digital storefront, and businesses need eye-catching video content to grab attention. That's where you come in. Use Sora to create personalized video content for ads, Instagram stories, or TikToks tailored to each client's audience. Offer consulting packages where you not only create content, but also advise on strategy, what to post, when to post, and how to boost engagement. Level up your game. Highlight how AI-generated content saves time and money compared to traditional video production. Businesses love hearing about ROI. And there is 5 detailed ways to turn Sora into a money-making machine. 1. Run your own AI video agency. 2. Build a SaaS platform for social media creators. 3. Sell fire AI prompts to help others get the best results. 4. Monetize tutorials and educational content. 5. Help businesses shine with social media marketing consulting. The hustle is real, and Sora just made it a whole lot easier to turn ideas into income. So, which of these sounds like your next move? Drop a comment and let me know how you're planning to use Sora to stack your paper. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to level up their game. Until next time, stay creative, stay hustling, and go secure that bag.